So you've got limited hours in the week and you want to make some extra money. Well, I have the best five side hustles I believe that are going to work in 2026, and they require very little investment to start up, no experience, and very little cash. So, number one is my personal favorite, and I've got some free in depth training on that. So, if you've got any chance, have a look at the training by looking at the link below this video. Okay, so let's get on with it. Now, this is not like a massively in-depth video. It's more designed to get, your thinking hat on. I'm going to try and push you in the right direction. So, starting at number five, which is print on demand. This is probably one of the easiest side hustles to grasp. So basically, you just got to create a simple design and place it on a product like a t-shirt, a mug, or maybe a phone case, and list it online on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. So if someone does buy, a third party supplier is basically going to produce and ship the items directly to the customer, which means obviously you never need to buy any inventory up front or store boxes in your own home, which is going to make the cost low at the entry point. The slight catch is visibility and design skills. So if you aren't that skilled at creating designs people you actually search for, or if you don't know how to drive traffic, you might spend hours building a store that gets zero sales. So quickly moving on to number four, which is selling digital assets. This includes selling stock photos, graphic elements, royalty-free music, video clips, or design templates. So the appeal here is actually straightforward. You create or capture the asset once, then you just got to upload it to a marketplace like Shutterstock or Creative Market, and then just basically earn a royalty every time someone downloads it. Now, this is much closer to true passive income, but the drawback is that it requires, again, an existing creative skill. So, if you're really like a good photographer or, designer or audio editor, this can actually be quite lucrative. But if you are a complete beginner, started from scratch without any of them technical skills, isn't where I advise that you actually start. So number three, creating digital products. Now we're getting to the more scalable models. So a digital product could be, what could it be? A checklist, a spreadsheet, a planner, educational guide designed to solve one specific problem. For instance, so if you create like a simple budgeting template in Excel or Notion, you could create that once and you could sell it to thousands of people without zero manufacturing or anything like shipping cost. The primary challenge is going to be product creation and getting buys. So if you only have a couple of hours a week, spending weeks or months creating a product before knowing how to get things like consistent traffic can leave you stranded without any sales at all. Now, number two, content creation. Now, content creation is powerful because published content can become a long-term asset. So, like an optimized YouTube video, blog post, or a podcast episode can continue attracting viewers, generating revenue for months or even years after you post it. Unlike standard work, which you exchange hours directly for dollars. However, the main challenge here is patience. So building an audience takes consistent effort, and you're not going to get thousands of views overnight. So the trick here is not to become like a mega influencer. It's attracting the right audience with a specific problem and connecting them, to the solution. Which brings me to number one and my personal favorite, which is affiliate marketing. Now, this is the model that I recommend paying closest attention to if you're starting from scratch with things like limited time and money. So, with affiliate marketing, you don't obviously need to create your own product, or you don't have to purchase inventory or handle anything like customer support or deal with shipping. So, the framework is actually quite straightforward. You just got to find a proven product or service that already exists. Then you're going to recommend it to people who genuinely need it. And then you're going to earn a commission when someone buys through your unique link. But real affiliate marketing isn't about spamming random links across social media. So the real opportunity is going to come from you creating helpful content that attracts people actively looking for their answers to a problem. And then basically you're going to introduce them to a solution that's going to help them. So because your content can be discovered long after it's published, it's going to keep directing people to, your affiliate links. So you're essentially building evergreen digital assets that work for you around the clock. So if you want to see how this works in detail, So just check out the free training below this video. It's going to break down the exact side hustle model I use to generate income online without needing a big audience. I want you to keep in mind that none of these side hustles are magic. Passive income always requires effort to build, the asset that generates long-term returns. So the biggest mistake beginners I feel make is they try to do too much stuff at once, or they don't give nothing, enough time. They bounce on things like print on demand, and they go to digital products and then content creation, and they end up 6 months later, with zero results. So my advice is pick one model, commit to it, understand it, start small, and give yourself enough time required to see real traction. So a quick recap: you don't need thousands of dollars or endless free time or technical expertise. Just a clear model, a real problem to solve, and obviously very important, consistency. So now that do the top 5 side hustles of 2026. Now, if affiliate marketing is something that you're interested in, why don't you check out the next video, which is called Affiliate Marketing Done Right in 2026. You see it on the screen right now, and I will see you in the next video.